Simon.
Yes, we're gonna do this or what?
Actually, yeah, I don't let people in my house, so let's just conduct our business.
This isn't the most fucking ideal place to be doing some shit like this. Fucking out of your goddamn mind, but is this good for you, sir? It's perfect. I'm gonna get a fucking bad Yelp review.
All right, how much?
I was gonna run you about $450. Yeah, but first I'm curious. You don't look like my normal clientele. Why are you buying a gun? Need protection? You scared of someone that don't seem...
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking kill myself. If you really want to know the reason.
Fuck, man. I never heard some shit like that before. I've been doing this a long fucking time. I've never heard something like that. I mean, sorry, I guess.
Yeah, well, what are you gonna do?
Thank you, sir. Well, have a good, rest of your night, I guess. You know, morally, I don't get involved with my client's shit. Usually, I don't really give a fuck, to be honest. Don't get me wrong, I still don't give a fuck. But you kind of interest me a little bit. If you do go through with this tonight...
I am gonna go through with this.
Okay, I mean, like, if you do this...
I am going to do it.
I'm just saying, you've sparked my interest. Never really been involved with some shit like this before. I'd love to know what brings someone to that level, if you don't mind me asking.
You really want to know what brings someone to this point? You really want to know what brings someone to this point? Okay, let me tell you what brings someone to this point. Well, first of all, I went to a college that I couldn't afford with money that I didn't have, and now I have loans that I cannot pay off. I cannot find a job because I failed out of that college with a technicality. So since you don't have a job, you don't have any money, you can't support the girlfriend you have, so the girlfriend you have cheats on you with your fucking best friend. Also, my best friend is making millions of dollars off of an idea that I fucking had when we were in college together. So he's off making millions of dollars, fucking the girl of my dreams, and I can't find a job to save my fucking life! Isn't that crazy? And my parents fucking disown me because... Can I bum one of those? Can I bum one of those?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you! And to top it off, my fucking little brother ended up getting mixed up with the wrong crowd, and he fucking ODs on cocaine. Who the fuck sells cocaine to a 14-year-old kid? Can you answer me that?
Wow.
Rhetorical fucking question. And, not to mention, that apartment that I would not let you go into, I'm being evicted from that in less than 24 hours, so I'm gonna be fucking homeless. So yes, sir, I feel like I have a few reasons to not want to be the fuck alive anymore.
Well, that'd just about fucking do it. Fuck, if all that would happen to me, I'd fucking kill myself years ago. Shit.
And I know I should probably be confessing these things to a fucking counselor, a psychologist, or a fucking priest instead of some drug dealer who dresses like he's in the 80s.
Okay, first off, fuck you. Second the fuck up, I don't give a fuck about your fucking opinion. As though any opinion you have means anything. You're gonna be dead in about 20 fucking minutes. And yeah, I sell a lot of things. I sell drugs, I sell guns. Fuck, I sell birth control sometimes. You know what? I don't give a fuck about anyone, okay? I give a fuck about money. It's not my fucking fault some fucking 14-year-old kid gets some coke and ODs. I mean, I'm not fucking handing out instructions. Do I look like a fucking educator on cocaine? I mean, a motherfucker buys a Big Mac, has a heart attack. You suing Ronald McDonald? So you have a good fucking night. Enjoy your goddamn gun. Make sure the safety's off, you fucking prick.
You know something, Simon? You're absolutely right. When you sell a gun or you sell drugs, you're not responsible for what happens to your customers.
The fuck are you talking about?
But when you sell drugs to my little brother and he dies because of it, it's my responsibility to deal with the man who killed him.
Don't.